Passive income is a dream for many savers. Passive income represents the ability to earn money without having to work, invest or deal with the stress of finances. The amount of passive income you can generate varies by person and depends on your location, financial goals and your available time. But passive income is nonetheless an appealing concept because it offers a level of freedom that working for a company or anyone else does not. Passive money that comes from sources other than working for someone else is usually known as residual income or recurring income. For example, if you operate a small online business selling handmade crafts, then passive income could come in the form of recurring sales from past customers who have now become repeat buyers at discounted rates. Or passive cash might also come in the form of recurring new customer subscriptions at lower rates than if you had started a company from scratch. Passive cash also comes in the form of royalties from intellectual property such as books, music or software, even if you don't have any direct involvement in creating those products yourself. Whichever type of passive income strategy appeals to you most, these 5 ideas will help you get started on the path toward generating residual or recurring income from your savings and spare time activities. Create an online course. If you can teach others how to do something, then you can create a lucrative passive income stream by charging them a fee to learn from your experience or skills. Online education is a booming market with plenty of room for growth. With the rising cost of higher education, more and more people are seeking to learn new skills for jobs or advancement. The demand for online education is expected to grow at a compounded annual growth rate of 10.5% through 2020, according to Goldman Sachs. Online education is not limited to just learning specific skills, either. Rather, online courses are increasingly being used as an extension of existing in-person courses. For example, the University of California is now offering massive open online courses, MOOCs, on topics such as computer science, economics, literature and more. Develop your own digital products and services. If you have a skill set or knowledge that others would appreciate learning more about, then you can create your own digital products and services as a passive income source. For example, a writer might make ebooks about his or her expertise in a particular field or hobby. A web design expert could create a mobile app or an online course on topics such as web design or programming. You can also explore licensing your skills to others for them to profit from them. For example, you might have an expertise in software development and want to charge others for the right to use your skills as part of their products. You could also create training or educational resources around your expertise that other businesses or individuals could use as a training supplement. Write an e-book. E-books are particularly suited to creating passive income streams as they are easy to create and offer the potential for a massive number of readers. All you need to write is a book and sell it online. Popular e-book formats like EPUB and PDF allow you to distribute your book to readers across a range of reading devices, including phones, computers and e-book readers. You can sell e-books either through your own web store or by working with an e-book publishing services provider. To maximize your profits and avoid paying high taxes on e-book sales, it's best to use an e-book publishing services provider. These companies post your book on their site and charge authors a fee to publish and market their books. Create and sell art and craft work. If you have a skill set or special expertise in a certain field, you can create and sell art and craft work as a passive income source. For example, a designer might create and sell prints of his or her art. Another option is to create and sell items like art prints, home decor items and more. It's important to do your research before you launch your online business and make sure you know the best way to sell your products and make sure they are in demand. It also helps to start off with a small number of products first, and then work your way up as your business grows. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. If you're looking for a low-risk and low-investment way to earn income, consider investing in dividend-paying stocks. With dividend-paying stocks, you receive a portion of the profits from the company from which you own the stock. In other words, you are not actively involved in the company's day-to-day operations, but you will receive a portion of the profits if the company makes any profits. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a low-risk and low-investment way to earn income. Since you are not actively involved in the company, there is a chance that the company won't make any profits. But there is also a chance that the company will. There are plenty of online investment sites that will let you invest your money and let you choose between different stocks. Some of the best sites to choose from are Investors Business Daily, Morningstar and Morningstar.com. Conclusion. Passive income can be a great way to make money, but it's not easy. You need to be disciplined and willing to put in a lot of time and effort. The best way to raise your chances of success is to start small. Start with something that requires very little effort, like selling products online. Once you get the hang of that, try something a little more difficult, like creating a digital product or investing in stocks.